Light Gilas. Mata. Stolen by Padilla. Counter steal by Mata. Between all alone, 2 points. Mendoza grabs the board. Gabriel commanding the floor for Gilas. Mendoza, pop up, no good. Between, put back, wala pa rin. Christopher, all the way to Sarabia, basket. Christopher. Bonus minutes. Between, sa ilalim, foul. Foul number 25, Julian Custodio. His first personal foul, first team foul.
Nakakalitin kulay. Nakakalitin kulay.
Kuya Louie makes the first.
All-Stars Kuya Louie, kung mga naglalaro yun. Kailangan sila All-Star. Si Mata na lang ang chance.
Between, next move. Padilla, Custodio all alone, wala. Between the board. Mata, all alone for 3, wala. Sarabia, Talawi rebound. Christopher, all alone, patay ka dyan.
Nagpasa Alvin. Late daw siya. Lalaro, dadating daw siya sakto na sa laro niya.
Gabriel,
Shot clock.
shot clock 10 seconds, stolen by Patayaw. Patayaw, all the way, basket. Mendoza, scoop shot, no good. Rebound Patayaw, conception. Padilla running the floor well, basket.
Basket ulit, kuya.
Another one, hindi ko nakita.
2 more.
Nastil.
Between, back.
Batak-batak.
All 6 points of Amy. All from Kuya Louie between. Sarabia. Fakes. Wala. Mata. Gabriel all alone. 2 points. The veterans doing it for Amy Vilas. Shot. Running jump. Ay kagan. Mendoza. Wala. Concepcion ulit. Padilla. Dinalik. Concepcion. Pull up. Bang!
Effort.
Time out, Amy Vilas. Score is 15-8 in favor of SG Homos.
Hindi, pogi lang.
Tapos Jason. Si Jason Nicosta. So si Kuya Louie talaga All-Star. Jason sa amin. Sila dalawa yung assistant.
Alright, let's go. Manan Gonzalez. Boto. Dijan and Cuevas for 80. Brand new 5. Manan, pull up, no good. Padilla. All the way! At ay ka dyan, 1 on 5.
Grabe, isa't lima, isa kalaban lima dun.
Cuevas, specialty of the house. Wala. Padayaw. Stolen by Cuevas. To Gonzalez. Pull up. Wala pa rin, malamig. Concepcion, no look to Sarabia.
Tama ko yung 19-8 na.
Stolen, no. Recovered by Cuevas. Manat. Boto, wala. Concepcion. Padilla again. Patay ka dyan.
Bigas pala yan.
8 points for Padilla. Just the first quarter. Gonzalez. Binangga si Poge. Dijan. Teardrop. No good.
Tira for points.
Padayaw. Padayaw. Padayaw pa rin. Wala. Foul. Foul number 88. Ron Cuevas is first personal foul. Second team.
Pet, may needle ka ba ito, Pet?
Wala.
Sarabia. Wala.
Copy ko muna ito, Pet.
Boto.
Ano, Pet?
Boto.
Wala.
Out of bounds.
Tinanong ng nanay.
Mali ba pronunciation?
Boto daw.
Bots na.
Boto.
Bots na lang. Bots.
Gonzalez, butata ang inabot. Concepcion, mag-isa. Pull up, short. Sarabia, put back.
Sana si Eskinol, pero medyo bong na lang.
Hindi ah.
Alam ko ba, hindi ko lang mention ng alam.
Manan. Manan. Wala. Gonzalez. Bumababa. Wala pa rin. Padayaw. Inagawan. Boro. Out of bounds.
One hood. One hood daw. Two hood na.
Number 18. Pull up. Dijan.
Kaya.
Padayaw. Sarabia. Spin. All the way. Patay.
Ang laki.
25-8. Gonzalez. Wala pa rin.
Grabe, double-double, Jordan.
Custodio with the board. Sarabia again.
Shot.
Kick out. Concepcion.
Bang.
Short. Padilla. Put back.
Ay, kumana eh. Ayun.
Double digits for Jason Padilla. Bottom. Basket.
Okay.
Shot clock is off.
Shot clock is off. Last 10 seconds. Sarabia. Pull up.
Bang!
Wala. Dijan.
Go, go!
Boto. Pull up. Bang! Buzzer beater. That's good for Roman. Boto. The score 27-12 in favor of SG Home Wolves.
Mga 500 na yan. Dahil mo ng puntos.
And points for Jason Padilla just in the first quarter.
Ayaw niya kasi daw pag nakaraming points, 500 daw yung bilis ng sapatos. Sabi niya, testingin daw muna niya kung masarap ka pa.
Maganda, Jace. 10 points sa
Baka hindi
average.
makakashoot to sa... Boy, huwag mo upatid, boy! Hindi mo nakikaw eh. Huwag mo upatid, boy!
Alright, second quarter. Let's go.
Si Rap ba? Nakatatlo na.
Love, si Hadfield ba nakatatlo na? Oo. Parang dalawa doon best player siya.
Dalawa best player.
Dalawa best player.
2 fouls.
Dalawang best player tsaka isang talo.
Padaya, Custodio, Ponce, Dudes, and Abro for SB Locals. Manan, Nabong, Boto, Mata, and Gabriel for Pilas. Custodio, bang bang, 3 points. Manan, short J, wala, Abrot. Ponce, nice pass to Padaya, who makes the fast break. Mata, wala, Abrot na naman, rebound. Ponce again, running the floor all the way, wala. Mata. Manan, Mat isa. Boto, wala, rebound, Nabo. Manan, pull up, wala pa rin, Abrot na naman, to the board. Padayaw. Daming nakaputi. Abrot, mag-isa, 2 points.
Malinaw si Abrot pag nasa loob.
Kumiki na.
Out of bounds.
Net foul.
Oh, foul.
Foul on. Wala. Out of bounds.
Hindi ko alam. Pumitos siya.
Just out of bounds. Gabriel, Boto. Hesitation. Shot clock. 10 seconds. Nabo, pull up. Wala. Abrot with the board again. That's his fourth in 1 minute. Custodio, Padaya. All the way. Wala. Dudes, specialty. Put back, wala. Nabo. Boto for 3. Short. Out of bounds. SG ball. Behind the back. Sub next. Boto. Gabriel. Mag-isa. Lista na yan. Wala. Short. Custodio. Patayaw. Pull up free. No good. Rebound. Mata.
Sige po.
Stolen. Custodio. Best player last week. Patay ka dyan. Mata. Mata for 3. Bang bang.
Ba't hindi may iba? Yung nakalagay kay Mata.
Bilyan na pa yata siya.
Middle name niya. Sila niya. Talaga bilhin na ito.
Sub. Sub. Subs out.
Aray ko! Pinalitan yung sapatos.
Concepcion. Dudes. Muntik na makaw. Foul. Foul mark. Mata is first personal foul. First team foul. Abro. Padilla. Uy. Concepcion. Recovers. Abro. For 3. Patay.
Patawanan ka lang yan.
Sino yun? Mendoza, 2 points. Mendoza, intercepted. Boto, Tumata, Aliyuk, wala. Nice D by Broti.
Roti.
Concepcion. Ooh, nice passing. 3-second violation. Sayang, sobrang sa kasa. Napong for three. Wala. Abot. Padilla. Tumatakbo. All alone. Patay ka dyan. Nabo. Gabriel. Sinay. Kick out. Makat. Rest ulit. Wala. Short. Concepcion. 1-2. Stolen by Makat. Counter steal by Dudes. All alone. Wala. Good. Play on. Mendoza. Fall away. Bang.
Chicken ba?
Concepcion for three. Short. Rebound. Concepcion again. Shot clock, 5 seconds. A block for three. Short. Concepcion for three. Wala. Short na rin. Put back. Wala. Abroad. Ay ka dyan. Nice pass to Dudes. Oh, steal. Concepcion. All alone. Basket. Time out. Amy Ilas. And the score, 45 SG Homos. 19, Amy Ilas.
Nag-offers lang ako pagkain.
Ano ba? Ano? Pagkain ba o may iuwi?
May siguro mga prutas.
Nakaraan kasi ganun po eh.
Saan sila na-pwesto? Diyan
Doon sa
labas.
loob, doon sa loob.
Sa loob. Hinire nila yun.
Kasi nakaraan doon sila.
Hinire na nila yun. Yung Nike Kitchen.
Ah. So, feeling ko nagpapakain din sila, kuya. Kung baga nung nakaraan, namimigay lang sila ng mga pagkain.
Mata. Ijan. Gonzalez. Nice basket. Christian Gonzalez. Concepcion. Abroad. Pinectos palabas. Turnover. Pass break. Mendoza. Scoop shot. Muntik na. Bituin! Natapal sa likod ng ulo. Foul on abroad. Number 16 is first personal foul. Second team foul. Oh, sorry. First team foul. 2 shots. Kuya Louie Bituin. Makes the first. Makes both. Concepcion. Pull up. Mendoza on the board. Gonzalez back to Mendoza. Wala. Silang dalawa nag-aagawan. Mendoza pa rin. Gonzalez. Put back is good. Abroad. Libre. Patay ka dyan.
Pakipalitan niyo muna kasi abroad. Please lang. Pakistop niyo muna.
Kurt Mendoza.
Ano ni Peter maglalaro? Para masaya.
Mata with a steal. Wala. Rebound. Out of bounds. SG ball. 34 seconds. And running. 2 for 1.
2 for 1 tira.
Concepcion. Shot clock. 15. Concepcion. Pull up. Wala. Rebound ng Mendoza. Taas kumalun. Shot clock is off. Gonzalez. Abroad. Board lahat.
Sinisigaw mo daw kayo. Sinisigaw mo daw kuya eh.
And that's the end of the first half. 48 SC Hobos, 29. 80. Gilas.
Pahingin tubig yan.
Season 2.
Bigyan ko rin siya.
Kailan balik mo kuya?
Ano naman oh?
Hindi, balik.
Ano naman?
Si Abrot ininom.
Tagal kayo.
Pinalik.
April 2? Walang 3 weeks lang? Wala nga.
Basketball lang yun.
Wala na, hindi mo na pinumbine yung bakasyon. Sa bagay. Anong category niyo? 18 under, no?
Kaya po, sabi ko sa'yo, hindi ako magreklamo eh. Kahit na-follow ko, hindi ako nagreklamo. Nag-promise ako eh.
Pero next season ako po na 16, 14,
Next NBTC. Melbourne, New Zealand.
New Zealand.
New Zealand. Dadala ko talaga doon. Pupunta ka talaga doon. Or sila, paano mo i-organize? Pero mga galing New Zealand. Sabi mo. Na. Pero Melbourne play. Bola Cubs. Cubs, kanino nga bola?
Change court na, no?
Change court, kaninong bola?
Amin, no?
Inyo ba araw na yan kanina?
Amin yan.
Ayan.
Change court.
Yan, taga dito yan.
Kilala ko.
Ayan.
Nung maliit pa yan, naglalaro.
Philippine-Australia yung basketball na yan.
Shooter yan, di ba?
Alright, back to the ball game.
Shot clock.
Gilas ball. Balik ikot. Nabong for 3. Nabrot to the board. Pass break. Sobrang risky pass. Stolen. Power steal. Padilla. Custodio to Padilla. Connection. Nabong. Mendoza. Cuevas for 3. Custodio. Stolen! Bituin! Grabe talaga. Parang hindi 59. Abrot. Custodio. Wala. Rebound. Boto.
Tama yung score doon na 31.
Boto. Stolen. Mendoza. Shot clock. 10. Reset. 14. Bituin. Ibut attack. Ang inabot. Rebound nabot.
5 seconds.
Mendoza. Basket.
Tapos tumalun yung Diyos.
Custodio. Sarabia. Kulak-kulak lang. Short. Boto. Wala. Broting. Pinakagaw na naman. Out of bounds.
Okay na pala.
Sarabia. Napakalaki. Basket. Boto. Stop next. Mendoza. Spin. Cycle. Putata. Boto. Shot clock. 6. Mendoza. Pull up. Short. Wala. Walang tumatakbo. Custodio. Sarabia. Agaw ni Ron. Nice steal. Boto. Pull up. Basket. Next dead zone. 52-35. Lead down to 17. Sarabia. Pull up. Short. Nabog. Bituin! Bumangga! Patay. 52-37.
Ano daw number mo sa jersey? Sabi nila.
Padilla, pull up 3. Muntik na. Padaya on the board. Uy, Alban. Sub.
Ano number daw?
Sub. Gonzalez for Boto. Uelas, Tatay, Benga. Padayaw. Sarabia. Kick out. Custodio. Mapawiin. Wala. Rebound. Bituin. With a board. Nabong. Pinasa. Oh, buti na lang. Na-recover. Cuevas. Pull up. Short. Sarabia with a board. Running the floor. Abron. Back to Sarabia. Kinay. Abron for 3. Man! 55-40. Mana. Gonzalez. Short. Custodio. Tupatayaw. Sobrang lakas ng pasa. Out of bounds. Sub. Cuevas. Manan for 3. Wala. Rebound, Broti. Concepcion. Uy! Tik na. Nice pass. Goods. Araruhin. Basket. Sub next. Charles Goods. Sinaraw. Mata. Basket.
GD.
Sarabia. Short. Foul. Number 25. Louis Manan. His first personal foul. First team foul.
Pasok. Sulod, Noy. Noy, sulod una. Noy, sulod una.
This is the second. 1 point. What's the call, ref? What's the call? Foul, Charles Goods. His first personal foul.
58-42 na.
Cuevas. Gonzalez. Spin cycle. Pull up. Basket. Concepcion. Dalawa sila. Sarabia. Abroad, same spot. Same result kaya? Wala. Overshoots. Mata. Napakabilis. Cuevas. Mag-isa. Patay. Basket.
Sabit ka, boy!
Sub next, ref.
Up next, 58-46. Lead down to 12. Concepcion, abroad, alley-oop, wala. Out of bounds, space with SG. Sub. Labas niya si abroad. Concepcion for 3. Uy, inasa. Sa Arabia, laging isa.
Mas kamo si Rainier, pag mo tubig, binalik mo, ubos na.
Ano sabi niya?
Baka mo lang matubig. Babalik ka sa kus.
Cuevas for 3. Tapos, Manan, ang lalim. Gonzalez. Teardrop. Basket.
Isang quarter lang, isang one quarter. Nakapiling.
Dudes! Butata! Dudes ulit! Wala pa rin. Foul is called on number 19, Christian Gonzalez. His first personal foul, second team foul.
Si Manan magaling din.
2 shots. Charles Dudes. Makes the first. Makes both. Cuevas for 3. Short. Custodio. Concepcion. Goods. Running. Alley-oop. Kala ko alley-oop dunk. Foul is called. Foul on number 27, Ethan Lujan. His first personal foul. Third team foul. 2 shots. Foy. Ponce. Makes the first.
Hindi, kahit naman daw di siya ma-injure, magkokotsado siya.
Misses the second. Dijan. Kumata.
Si Hodge.
Cuevas. Basket. Si Ro.
kulang.
Si Francis.
Siya si Francis. Oo, sa mura.
Light lang.
Ito yung bata, si Andrew.
Concepcion. Charles.
Sinong Andrew?
Sarabia. Pull up. Basket. Imbalance.
5, 4, 3.
Dudes. Traveling. Basket sana. Sayang traveling. Ganda sana.
Gulat tayo.
Sige, 2 points na lang siya.
1.5.
And that's the end of the third quarter, 65. SG Homeboys, 50, 80, Ilas.
1.5 lang daw yun, Chris.
SG ball.
Last quarter na tayo.
Last and final quarter. Padilla. Concepcion. Custodio. Kumagaw. Padayaw. Back to Concepcion. Pull up. Bang bang. Grabe yun. Mendoza with a fake. Wala. Ang nakalakas. Concepcion. Lock pass to Padilla. Who's all alone. 2 points. Mendoza. Siya pa rin. Patay na this time.
Actually, pwede din nga itong Mendoza yun. No? Consistent din. Parang andyan na palagi. No?
Lagi present dyan. Hindi pa mga
Siguro, pwede din siguro sa selection.
Foul is called. Foul number 14. Rico Ayaw is first. Personal foul. First. Team foul.
Selection, yung mga hindi mapipili sa staff. Mix. Sampo. Pwede nga 12. Wala naman silang jersey.
Kaso pito lang sila.
Sampo lang, sampo. Okay.
Pero yung dalawa doon, player daw ng Nepal. I mean,
Makes both.
Piporm na kuya.
Loses the ball. Gabriel.
Nani?
Dudes. Padayaw, pull up. Wala. Taas tumalon ni Julian. Gabriel, grabe yun. Fingero. Away. Dudes with the ball. Mataas. Nahawakan. Foul number 7. Louis Starr. His first personal foul. First team foul. Short.
Dalhin ko lang sa inyo along the week yung mga medals, mga jersey na kalimutan. Yung medals na antay pag dumating ang shirt. Takal. Hindi dahil sa gera siguro.
Kabay na ako.
China.
Nudes makes the second. Concepcion. Nakasmile pa. 2 points.
Ilang points na kuya yung lamang dapat para running?
25.
Boto, 2 points. Dudes. Sarabia for 3. Ano, toso ka na. Short. Balik. Concepcion this time. That's the 3. 10.
Oh, kahirap. Parang ang gaan-gaan ng bola sa kanan.
Gumaling ka rin. Tumatanda, magaling.
Mendoza. Grabe yun. Wala. Nakalutang sa ere. Blocked. Bituin. Kinaldag. Wala.
8 seconds.
Basket. Mendoza. Concepcion. Sarabia. Powers his way. Charles Goods. Ng Arao. Boto. Basket. 78-64. 14 lang naman guys. 14 lang. Wala. Mendoza. Between 2 points.
12 na lang.
Down to 12. Down to 12-point lead. Sarabia for 3. Short. Bituin with the board. Mata. Wait. Boto. Reverse. Basket.
Tampunan.
Down to 10. 78. 68. Gilas with a run. Sarabia. Nakain na. Stop next. 10. Mata. To between. Stolen. Boto all the way. Foul. All the way up. Foul Charles Goods. His second personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots. Roland. Boto. Stop.
Dami itong nagawa ni Jason.
Boto. Short and first. Makes the second.
Isa lang ma-shoot. Tama 69-80.
80-69. Back to 11 points. Christopher, long three. Short. Dudes, Sarabia, Ponce, basket. Nice passing from SG. Out of bounds, turnover.
Kaya pa yan, kuya.
Dudes, for three. Short. Gabriel.
Nice. Pump fake. Wala.
Sab ka pala, Jules.
Mendoza. Short. Dudes with the board.
Yun.
Custodio.
Tira, boy, tira.
Custodio. Wala, syempre.
Agaw ending.
Uy, grabing agaw yun yan.
Iwan.
Mendoza.
Boy.
Basket! Wala. Tek na.
Tira, Jules.
Custodio with the board. Concepcion. Hesitated. Short. Sarabia. Pull up J. Wala. Dudes. Isa pa. Sarabia. Concepcion. 4-3. Board sana. Wala.
Shot.
Boto. Yan yung board. 2 points.
Tira, Jules.
Custodio. Pull up. Mendoza, wala. Between, back, wala ka rin. Siya pa rin, basket. Concepcion. Wala. Gabriel with the board. Between basket and down to 7 points. Concepcion. Grabe, Concepcion.
Patos ka dito, ah.
Bituin na naman. 84-77, 7-point lead. Sarabia, for 3. Wala, lumabas. Mendoza, down to 5 points. Concepcion for 3. Dudes. Uy. Pinakahabol ng SG. Boto. Bang! Stop. Time out. Time out. Lead down to 2. 84-82. Grabing run yun.
Grabe lang talaga.
Welcome. Quirino Pidonia Jr. Alright, back to the ball game.
Huwag mo nang galawin tayo. Magpapalo na natin.
Walang foul. Basket. And that's the end of the ball game. Basket counts there for Christopher Concepcion. 87-82 in favor of SG Home Lows. Congratulations.